Have you ever wondered what the future of warfare looks like? Today, we're diving into the most jaw-dropping advancements in defense technology that are set to redefine modern military strategies. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see might just change everything you thought you knew about defense innovation. Just recently, the International Defense Exhibition IDEX 2025 wrapped up in Abu Dhabi, marking one of the most significant events in the defense industry this year. Imagine this. Over 1,565 companies from 65 different countries showcasing state-of-the-art weaponry and military equipment. This wasn't just any event. It set a record with 731 new companies and even 7 countries participating for the very first time. The exhibition attracted more than 132,000 visitors, and the deal values soared to an astonishing $6.35 billion in contracts. From cutting-edge systems for ground forces, air defense, and naval operations to futuristic cyber and maritime security technologies, IDEX 2025 was a true feast of innovation. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about the Russian contributions. Innovations like the X-69 cruise missile and X-58 anti-radar missile, along with unmanned aerial vehicles that left experts absolutely shocked. Now, shifting gears, imagine secret footage that unveils the intense training of FPV drone operators at a classified Iranian military base. Yes, you heard that right. This rare footage shows Iranian forces perfecting precision strikes on simulated targets, with every successful hit backed up by real-time telemetry data. These tactical FPV drones are not just a technological marvel, they're a clear sign that future conflicts could be dominated by drone warfare. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a military buff, seeing these advancements in action is nothing short of eye-opening, revealing how nations are reimagining the battlefield with cutting-edge unmanned systems. Across the globe, British company MSI Defence Systems has rolled out their revolutionary drone interception system, the Terrahawk Paladin. This mobile air defense complex is designed specifically to take on the challenges posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, cruise missiles, and low-flying threats. Equipped with a powerful 30mm automatic cannon, Mark 44 Bushmaster, that can unleash up to 200 rounds per minute, and using advanced airburst ammunition, the Paladin can engage drones up to 2 kilometers away. With integrated radar, optical targeting, thermal imaging, and even a laser rangefinder, this system can work autonomously or under direct control. It's a brilliant example of how technology is evolving to keep our skies secure and our defenses one step ahead. On the American front, Overland AI is making waves with its Overdrive system, a breakthrough in off-road autonomous technology. This innovative system allows ground vehicles to operate remotely, minimizing risk to human lives during combat. Imagine high-stakes operations being carried out by machines that can navigate rough terrain with remarkable precision and speed. This is the future of battlefield mobility. And then there's China pushing the envelope even further. The development of universal humanoids like the Unitree G1 is nothing short of futuristic. This isn't just a robot, it's a personal bodyguard capable of performing realistic kung fu moves that have stunned robotics enthusiasts worldwide. Priced at around $16,000, this technology is paving the way for armies of humanoid soldiers that could redefine combat dynamics in the coming years. In Serbia, the latest marvel is the combat robot Mali Milos. Weighing in at 620 kilograms and capable of reaching speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour, Milos is engineered for reconnaissance and combat operations. Armed with a Zastava M86 machine gun, an M11 grenade launcher, and a sophisticated surveillance system with thermal imaging, this unmanned ground vehicle can detect and engage targets with precision, even under the toughest conditions. Not to be outdone, Russia is integrating robotics into its combat units with systems like Veron. Designed to support assault operations, Veron is equipped with a remotely controlled turret compatible with various models of Kalashnikov machine guns. With a control range extending up to 15 kilometers and the ability to carry significant payloads, Veron exemplifies how robotics is transforming the way infantry units operate on the modern battlefield. From record-breaking international exhibitions to secret military footage and groundbreaking robotic innovations, today's defense technologies are not just advancing, they're revolutionizing how nations prepare for the future of warfare. Which innovation left you the most shocked? Was it the incredible drone training in Iran, the cutting-edge interception system from the UK, or perhaps the humanoid soldiers emerging from China? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive into the future of defense technology as fascinating as we did, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates from the world of defense and technology. See you in the next video.